When you change field size to 100 and 100 millimeter to 200 and 200 millimeter, see here. This is field size 100 and 100 millimeter. The focus length is 120 millimeter. 200 and 200 millimeter. Focus length is 240 millimeter. So first we need to adjust this size from here to the material surface. You need to make sure it's 240 millimeter. So we need to move down. Check here. Make sure it's 240 millimeter. Okay. Here need a very precise. And then change from software. Make a design. Apply. Here setting, motion setting, correction. Here choose 200. This is mean field size is 200 and 200 millimeter. Apply. Okay. And see here, choose this one. You can see working depth is 120 millimeter. So here need set 120 millimeter. You can see this will move up to here. That's okay. Here. Now to the circle mark preview. Move material to here and circle mark and mark. We need to rotate this until the light is strongest. We can use this. You can see, go on, rotate. Okay, here is the light strongest. That's okay. If you know the change working field size, here no need to rotate again.